Where we are, Perran October 2024. Just going to give you a little look at the site. Get ourselves in a nice position. Okay. A nice little pan round towards Perran Beach, just over there. Just go up a little bit higher for you. And that's the famous outdoor swimming pool, shall we call it. It's the golf course. Just take it all the way around, nice and slow, not to get you dizzy. Now if you see straight ahead there, now that's where you come into Perran Sands, haven site. Come down and this path follows you all the way around, all the way in. Keep coming all the way down this path. And the little cabin there is where you log in and check in. And this bit here is your touring caravans. So the top is Euro pictures, and then you've got where the super tents used to be. They're just all touring caravans now. Down at the bottom there, near the kids' park on the right, that's where tents used to be. But again, no more tents on this site for some reason. Probably to do with the fact that statics make more money. Just going to drop us down a little bit. So this used to be touring and tents, and obviously they put all these caravans in because it clearly makes more money than a tent, and you can charge £2,500 a week instead of £100 for a tent. It's nice though, to be fair. Very nice. Got a nice decking around them. Yeah, because down at this end as well is where the wardens used to be. And they'd have obviously camp out in their touring caravans and that. So they've been shifted back up now where the super tents were. The way things change, it's weird. So all that way. God, it's huge now. So many they've fitted in, haven't they? Squeezed so many in.
Yeah, because this is the first stage when you start bringing them on to where the tour.
Yeah, because this is where the gas used to be, wasn't it? And then
There was a gate here.
yeah, crazy.
The back was there's a side, there's a path.
Yeah, so these have all been cleaned now for the new people coming in. Yeah, if you've never been here and you just want a week away, I mean, I've never been in the like August and like when it's really the peak. I can imagine it's really busy, but we always come off peak and it's really nice. It's always been pleasant. We've never had any bother here. The entertainment of the night's quite good. So, yeah, we like coming here. Always changes every time we come. So, crazy. I know, they've just got them everywhere now. There's all the blankets and the sheets from when they've cleaned them out. It's not a dead body, I promise you. Definitely not a dead body. Over there's the gas things.
Make a front view, doesn't it?
Yeah. So this is the way back to the touring now. Here's all the gas bottles that used to be used for the touring pictures. They obviously don't use them anymore. So, let's take a walk back this way to the touring. I mean, we did have a tourer, but it was all right. But you're travelling here 7 hours getting here, and then when you've got to unpack it all. It takes you a good hour, 2 hours. If it rained, you were packing stuff away, and you had nowhere to store anything. We were going home early because it'd be a dry day, so you could take the awning down and all that while it was drying. And like, well, where do we sit now? So we'd ended up just going home, and we never enjoyed the journey. 56 miles per hour all the way with a caravan on the back, not pleasant. So I hope you can hear me anyway with this wind. We'll soon see how good DJI mics are. It's meant to cut this wind noise out, but who knows, eh? Let me spin you back round.
This is where that shower block used to be.
Oh yeah, oh it was, wasn't it? Yeah, well spotted. Just over there used to be a shower block for the touring and the tents. I mean, it wasn't the best shower block in the world, but obviously that's why they've never done it up, because there was plans to knock it down. Hence why it's gone. Again, more caravans over the top, over the dunes, and then you got your chalets there, straight ahead of us now. That's all your chalets there. All the entertainment there. The entertainment complex. Get you over to the outdoor swimming pool. Car park for the complex. You go, and if you look down there, and I'll bring you back over to where we're staying. That caravan there is where we are, just on the end. where we stayed.